During the fourth day of testimony in the trial of Jeronimo Yanez, the St. Anthony police officer charged in the death of Philando Castile. The shooting last summer happened during a traffic stop, and in court yesterday, a use of force expert called Yanez's actions excessive and unreasonable. Mary McGuire has more of the details of the testimony. And Mary, the trial is moving along. We thought this was going to take quite a long time. Seems to be moving quickly.
That's right. When this whole thing started, we were hearing maybe 3 weeks, give or take a few days. But now that the two key witnesses for the prosecution have testified this week, the prosecution could rest their case as early as this morning. Now, this all comes after a police force expert testified that Yanez made mistakes during the traffic stop, like giving unclear commands, not getting Castile's hands where he could see them, and not changing his position to move behind the door pillar during that traffic stop. In his opinion, the shooting was, quote, unreasonable, excessive, and inappropriate. The jury also heard from forensic experts who testified Castile's semi-automatic firearm was found with a magazine in it after the shooting, but that there was no bullet in the chamber, meaning the slide of the gun would have had to be pulled back in order to fire it. In their opinion, it would have been impossible for a person to tell that just by looking at the gun. Of the 7 shots fired by Yanez, Castile was hit by 5 of them, 2 of those in the heart. Medical experts also spoke about Castile's marijuana use, saying it's impossible to know if he was high at the time of the shooting. Now, a forensic scientist with the BCA also testified about 2 other bullets that landed inside of the car. One of them hit an armrest and one of them hit the backseat of the car, just inches away from Diamond Reynolds, the passenger in that car, her daughter, who was sitting in a car seat there. That could be key evidence in the weapons charges that Officer Yanez faces, in addition to that manslaughter charge for the death of Castile. Jason.
All indications are that the prosecution is going to rest today. What have you learned that the defense is expected to bring forward?
Well, the defense has told jurors that Officer Yanez will likely testify in his own defense. He could be the first witness called. He could be the last witness called. But we should know a lot more information once court gets underway here in Ramsey County at 9 this morning.
All right. We'll be watching it, Mary. Thank you. Keep it right here and at WCCO.com for continuing coverage of the Officer Yanez trial.